If you want to start growing some seeds, sometimes it's still a little cold out depending on where you live. But this right here is just a miniature greenhouse using a large clear tote. If you do notice though, I have it slightly propped open at the bottom. That's because it will get super hot within that little box, and if you don't have some kind of ventilation, it will basically just cook everything inside. That should allow a decent amount of air to flow in and out, but it still will get quite warm in there. As you can see, I have a couple of plants started in there, and I have a few that have some seeds inside ready to start growing. And if you look at that piece, or that label right there, you'll notice, wow, it just bent all the way over. That's how warm it gets inside there, so it definitely gets hot. Here's another little option for you that might be a little bit cheaper. These are the little shoebox containers that are also clear, and they cost anywhere from $1 to $1.50 in most locations, and can work great as a little miniature greenhouse for any of your in-ground plants. Just once again, make sure they have a little bit of ventilation under at least one of the corners here so it doesn't suffocate and get too hot. And if you're looking for an almost free option, here is just a 1-gallon milk jug that's been rinsed out, and you can place it directly over your seedling as well. I just trimmed the bottom off with a knife, and as you can see, it's a little jagged. That's okay. Your ground's not going to be perfectly flat, and neither does this have to be as well. Now I decided to leave the lid off of mine, which means it will stay a little cooler in there, but that's also good if you have hot days and cold nights. Now, of course, you can always put a lid on there, but I would definitely suggest having maybe a little bit of ventilation in and out. You can do that possibly at the bottom or at the top. That is up to you.